Why does it feel like no job is safe anymore? Well, let's get into it. You used to have a mental list: factory workers, call center reps, data entry people. If your job wasn't on it, you figured you were good. That list doesn't exist anymore, because in 2026, it's not just the obvious jobs getting hit. It's paralegals, junior accountants, radiologists, coders, especially coders, people who went six figures into debt for those careers, thinking they were going to be safe all their life. And AI isn't just helping them do their jobs faster, it's doing the actual job. The core of it: cheaper, no benefits, and no motherfucking sick days. Here's the thing that changed everything. For decades, automation came for your hands. Now it's coming for your judgment. The thinking, the analysis, the stuff that made your job feel safe, that's exactly what these tools are built to replace. Basically your brain. And companies aren't waiting to see how it all plays out. Hiring freezes, quiet layoffs, doing more with less. This is just corporate speak for we got a subscription instead of renewing your contract. If you're still here with me, don't forget to subscribe. So why does nothing feel safe right now? Because for the first time, the answer to can a machine do this is yes, across almost every industry, all at once. It's not a bug, that's the whole idea, the corporate way.